Hey everyone, welcome to my classroom. It's a pit. This is kind of what happens during the summer. The janitors come over and they literally put everything to the center of the classroom so they can clean the walls and the outside of it. But I wanted to welcome you to my classroom. Obviously, it's not going to quite look like this. And I won't even look like this. This is my summer wear. This is Mrs. Kinnick in her summer wear. So anyway, I just wanted to show you a little bit around the room. That was my plan, and obviously that's not going to work very well today, but I will show you that we have our boards. We've got quite a bit of boards and working room. I've got lots of windows and whiteboards where students can show and do their work. I'm super excited about that. And windows, I love natural light. Also, we have bulletin boards here in the back where we can show off a lot of the student work. And oh, one of the things that I really do, excuse the mop mess here, that I love that I have for my sixth graders is I have a bucket. I know that sounds really weird. Each sixth grader has his or her own bucket. But this is a nice place for you to be able to store all of your stuff that you just need for math, like your math notebook. Maybe you're going to have just one of those smaller pencil boxes. You can get a bigger one like this one, but if you have a skinnier one, you know what I mean? They're about half of the size that just has maybe stuff that you have just for math. That bucket is a really good place to put that, and every sixth grader will have one of those. And then you can see I've got certain supplies that I've got here. I've been sharpening pencils all summer like crazy. Over here we have an area where we have our behavior chart. We'll talk about that when you guys get here. And then calculators, if you want to bring your own calculator, please bring your own calculator. It would be yours to use, obviously. Most things sixth graders can use, and seventh graders, because they teach seventh grade math too, they can use their own calculator for, with the exception of STAR testing and then of course state standardized testing. So most of the time, yeah, a calculator is a-okay to use. These calculators are nice. They're scientific calculators, and but all of my classes use them. So you'll be assigned a number and you'll have that opportunity to have those. Normally here you can see my calendar hasn't been changed for the new year, but I usually have a calendar going on with all the things that are going on that we need to be aware of. And then of course we have timers and everything, and normally here I will have the schedule of what's going on for the day, what standards we're looking at, things that we're aiming to learn, and all of those great things. So also my desk that is normally over by the door, it will have your entry task every day, and then also the sign out for the hall pass, the bathroom pass. We want you to be safe, and we also want to account for all of our students. So say if there's a fire drill, we know where all of our kids are at, and we know where they're at in case of a drill, and that they're safe and accounted for. So anyway, yeah, sorry it's a mess, but I just wanted to show you summer in progress, and looking forward to seeing you guys next month already. Oh, we got about a month left.